Well, I've reached a major milestone today. I've finished welding the body. Yeah. If you remember what it was like when I got it back from sandblasting, here's a reminder. But you can see now, you know, if I'd gone and just carried on, just, I don't know, just painting this thing up, I would have had a car that was just really not in a good in, from my standards anyway, good enough condition to do that work. So there's another round of welding to be done for sure on this to get it really tip top. And now all the welding is done, completely finished. I'm back to a solid body, everything inside, all of the areas that were completely rusted through, all the little pepper holes are all gone. So I'm really pleased that it's taken me 3 months to get to this stage of work. I'm just dressing the welds. Trust me, that's all solid plate metal underneath all that lot. It's just to make it look a bit neater before I go to the next stage, which is to 2-part epoxy prime the whole thing, get it all sealed up, and then I can go about just filling in and straightening up everything and just getting it ready for paint. So there you go, that's my update. Major milestone met, very happy day today.